Have you ever pondered the potential of human extinction? Could we, the dominant species on Earth, ever face the same fate as the dinosaurs? This thought might seem far-fetched, but let's delve into the concept of extinction, a process that has left its mark throughout Earth's history. Extinction, the disappearance of a species from the face of the Earth, is an event that's occurred repeatedly across the eons. In fact, our planet has witnessed 5 mass extinctions, each wiping out a significant proportion of life. From the Ordovician-Silurian extinction around 444 million years ago, which claimed 70% of all species, to the Cretaceous-Tertiary extinction that led to the dinosaurs' downfall 66 million years ago. These were the giants of their time, the rulers of the world. Yet they couldn't escape their fate. It's a sobering reminder that no matter how powerful or advanced a species may become, the specter of extinction always looms. Just as the mighty dinosaurs couldn't escape their fate, could we too be on a similar path? The causes of past extinctions and current human activities show unsettling similarities. As we cast our gaze back into the annals of history, we find that many past extinctions were triggered by environmental disruptions. Deep in Earth's past, cataclysmic events like asteroid impacts, volcanic eruptions, and drastic climate changes resulted in mass extinctions. These events altered habitats, disrupted ecosystems, and ultimately led to the demise of countless species. Fast forward to the present, and we find ourselves in a somewhat familiar territory. Human activities, notably deforestation, pollution, and climate change, are mirroring these past disruptions. Massive tracts of forests are being razed, reducing the planet's lung capacity. Pollution is poisoning our rivers, oceans, and even the very air we breathe. Climate change, fueled by our relentless carbon emissions, is altering weather patterns and raising global temperatures. These activities are not just changing landscapes. They're leading to a loss of biodiversity. Species are being pushed to the brink, and many are tumbling over the edge into oblivion. This loss of biodiversity is not just about the disappearance of a few species. It's a warning sign, a proverbial canary in the coal mine. It's often a precursor to mass extinction. Our actions are not just threatening other species, but potentially ourselves as well. Just as past species succumbed to environmental disruptions, so too could we, if we fail to heed the warnings and act responsibly. We are, after all, not separate from nature, but a part of it. So, are we destined to join the list of extinct species, or can we alter our course? As we look to the future, the possibilities are vast and varied. We could continue on our current trajectory, depleting resources and damaging the environment, potentially leading us to a fate similar to that of the dodo or the woolly mammoth. But is this our only option? Certainly not. The future of humanity is not set in stone. We have the power to change, to adapt, to evolve. We can choose to prioritize sustainability and conservation. We can choose to respect our planet, to protect our fellow species, and to preserve our shared home for future generations. Technology, often blamed for our environmental woes, can also be our saving grace. Innovative solutions like renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and waste management can help us reduce our footprint on this earth. But technology alone isn't enough. Awareness and education are key. We must understand the impact of our actions. We must learn about the delicate balance of our ecosystem and how we can contribute to its preservation. We must remember that we are not separate from nature. We are a part of it. Every species, every organism, every atom is interconnected. Our survival is tied to the survival of our planet. The future of humanity is in our hands. We have the power to write our own destiny. In this brief journey, we've explored the chilling prospect of human extinction. We've traversed epochs, witnessing the fall of mighty species, and drawn parallels with our own actions today. We've peered into potential futures, some bleak, others hopeful. We've seen that our actions can tip the balance for better or worse. The specter of extinction is not inevitable. We can shape our destiny. We must remember, we are not just inhabitants of Earth, but its caretakers. The choice is ours to make.